How to find routing number in Simplii. Log into your Simplii account on the official website or app. Navigate to the account summary or account details section. Select the specific account for which you need that routing number. Look for the account information or account details option. Find the section labeled routing number or transit number. The routing number should be displayed alongside your account information. Check your monthly statement for the routing number if not found. Review any official correspondence from Simplii for routing number details. The routing number is often listed at the bottom of checks. You can also find it in the FAQ or help section online. Note down the routing number for use in transfers and payments. Hope you understood the entire topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.